What's up, guys? This week, our project that we will be working on is going to be creating a ring that we can 3D print, and we will carve our name out in it. So the first thing we need to do is start a new part in our Autodesk Inventor, and we're going to do a two-dimensional sketch, and I am going to choose the YZ plane for this project. The first part we want to do is create the side profile of the ring, and I'm just going to do kind of like a half circle. We'll make it a half an inch tall. So I'll start by drawing a line. I will escape out of that and make a dimension for that line and make it a half an inch. Now I will use the arc tool to snap onto the top and the bottom, and I will kind of make that side profile of actually the ring that I have, my wedding ring. So I'll do something like that, and I don't want a sharp edge here, so I'll use the fillet tool, which is over here, and I'm going to change this measurement to 0.05, a little smaller, and I will select the line and the line, this line and this line, so you can see how it kind of rounds off the edge. And that's that for the fillet tool. Okay, so now I will create a line that I'm going to revolve this around. So I'm just going to draw a straight line next to my profile, and this is where you can really measure the distance, the radius of your finger. So my finger is, I think, about 5/8, 3/4 of an inch. So half of that, I'm just going to, estimate to around 3/10 of an inch. So I'll put the dimensions below and make it 3/10. And we can always change this up if it doesn't fit after we 3D print these and see if they fit. We can always change it up. So I'm going to finish my sketch here, and this is where instead of using the extrude tool, I'm going to use the revolve tool, and I'm going to first select the profile, and then I need to select the axes, and you can see how that profile revolved around the axes, and I click OK. So that's a basic shape of my ring. Again, if you don't like that shape, you can go back to edit. If you wanted to change it, you'd come back here and you could right click and you can edit the sketch, and you could just change this profile. Say I wanted to put a straight line here, I could bam, go like this, and maybe even trim it. Bam. So then when I finish my sketch, you'll see how it changed the shape of the ring. So that's the first step of creating a ring. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll show you the next